I love the way she packages everything. It just looks so pretty. So there are two subscription boxes that you can get. You can get the classic or the luxury. And with the luxury, you get a little bit more. Plus, you get inserts that fit your planner. So I get the luxury one. Here is the theme for next month's box. The first item I pull out is the pin. Very pretty. I love pink. So these sticky notes are really pretty. Love that it says love at the bottom. Here is the washi tape. I love the top one with the bow. That's my favorite out of both of them. Next up is this paper clip, and that little charm matches very well with the pin. So these sticker sheets, you can add them anywhere in your planner, and they're awesome because you can write on them. Here are the two full sheets of stickers. She designs the stickers herself, and these are super cute. I love all of them, and the washi is adorable. I like everything that the little hearts say. I love that she included a card. This is cute, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day for a friend or a family member. These are two reusable sticker sheets, which would go perfect in a planner. Say you have stickers left over and you might want to use them later, you can always put them on here. I think this is perfect. So here is the dashboard. I like the conversation hearts. Bite me, you wish, hell no, nope, next. They're really funny, and it's super cute. Here is the inserts for the month, and I really do like this layout. I do like the little designs on them, and I like that she doesn't date it. So you can date it and start it whenever you want, use it for next year. I like that. Here is everything I received in my box. I really do like everything. It is really, really cute. I like that it's undated. You can use it whenever. There is a link down below to her website if you guys want to use it. There is a discount code, or if you want to subscribe to the box. And let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.